Welcome back to another episode of Fundamentals. In this episode, we will be going over the Central Processing Unit, or CPU. If you're not caught up with the series, it is highly recommended that you go back and watch the others. The CPU is the main brain of any computer. It is the crucial part that thinks and does the math. Without it, no computer would be able to function. The CPU takes commands from the programs that it runs and carries them out. It is like the part of your brain that you use to pass a test. That is, if it works. There are, as with many things, different variations on a CPU. Some include x86, x32, ARM, RISC, and a host of others. In the 80s and 90s, it was not uncommon to have a different architecture per new CPU. Like the Motorola 68000, popular in machines like the Amiga and Sega Genesis, was a different architecture than the Zilog Z80, commonly used in most 80s machines. There's a lot of jargon that is used when talking about CPUs. Understanding what these terms mean can mean the difference between you getting a good CPU and getting one that would not suit your needs. Cores are little mini CPUs inside of the big one. It's kind of like outsourcing different parts of a task to supervisors. Threads are very similar to cores, only a little less powerful, kind of like the people working underneath the supervisor. Clock speed is how fast the thing can run, usually measured in hertz, megahertz, and gigahertz. Most modern CPUs are measured in gigahertz. If you enjoy this series, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us out and it would mean a lot to us if you did. And don't forget to share this with someone this can benefit. Until then, see you next time!